Alright, so recently I've been looking at a bunch of my comments, and if you're wondering, like, this is not my blanket, never would I buy a blanket like this, but I've been looking at a lot of my comments lately, and people are basically, like, saying that they hate being sold to, like they went through my sales funnel, and I'm asking too much from them, they're getting sold too much, the page is too long. Listen, if you're in the info product space and your customer or your potential customer is telling you that, odds are you don't want them buying your product because they're not going to be willing to go through what you're offering. They're not going to be willing to read your PDF, go through the videos in your course. If they're not willing to read a 5 to 10 minute page, they're not going to go through your course. Those are the people who are going to dispute your charges. Those are the people who are going to ask for refunds 15 minutes after buying. Like, I literally have people, after 15 minutes, they will buy the templates, and after 15 minutes, they're like, these don't work. There's no way that you read 296 pages. There's no way that you went into Facebook Ads Manager, built a landing page that's ready to convert, somehow created an ad and then launched it and got it accepted in under 15 minutes. There's no way in hell that ever could happen. And it's not to be rude, but the people who are buying these things and they're giving you that kind of feedback, they don't have what it takes to be successful with what you're giving them. They want shortcuts, they want it done for them. You know, they basically want it spoon-fed to them. And I have to say, you know, these people who are buying info products, digital products, courses, we're giving you value. If you go through my sales funnel and you get an upsell, it's because it's gonna give you value off of what you just bought. I'm not just doing it to increase obviously I have to do it for AOV reasons, but it's valuable information. I'm not giving you templates and then I'm selling you on a cruise. It's not congruent. These are items that all together are gonna allow you to efficiently advertise if you're willing to go through it. So people will literally go on my Facebook page and not recommend the page and give a bad review. And it's like, that's not on me, that's on you because you don't want to do the work. So anybody right now who's in that info product space who's selling things that people are saying, oh, it's too long, it's too hard to use, those are not your customers. Do not take offense to it. Sell to people who are actually going to do the work, and just stop fucking with these people who are annoying, because it's really a problem. And I really have to be transparent on this page because I'm just tired of like baby feeding people and telling people that everything's gonna be okay and like, you got this and like all this cheer shit. So it's really just comes down to like, are you willing to put in the work? I'll give you as much value as possible, but if you're not willing to do the work, then how are you gonna get the results that me and other people have gotten because they've done the work?